This is ridiculous.
No problem.
As I don't even know how come. I've never gone through this before.
I'm following out my instructions, sir.
No problem. Mr. Alexander. No man, I'm sorry about the hour. Look here. We are the number 3 location, you know. And the security. No. No, he was very pleasant. Very, very pleasant, man. But we can't gain access to the place. You want to talk to him? No, you can't fire the man for that, man. Alright, well, hold on. Check the phone.
It's alright, you can come in.
Sorry about that. We got access, you see. Yes, man, and I beg you, please, don't fire him. Him only doing him job. Alright? Good. She said to tell you,
Alright, okay. Yes. Come on. Yeah, on the can come near the place, you know. We're right here, so now for stop.
no man, don't worry about it, man. We don't need to go inside. We're supposed to paint the place. We're gonna change the color of this place here. But walk with me just a little bit further, man. Yeah, man. I promise you. So, what I'm planning to do, see? We're gonna change the whole of the color right across here. What we want to do is give the place a really facelift. You know what I mean? Change up the colors and make things look bright. As a matter of fact, we want to make sure that all of the color, all the way to the end.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. There you go. So, as a matter of fact, you can paint. Yes, sir. Might give you a job.
Yeah, man.
No problem, sir. All right.
No problem.
Was a pleasure.
What's the
Nice
name,
to meet you,
sir?
sir. My name is Christopher.
Okay, Christopher.
Nice to meet you,
Pleasure.
Christopher.
Charlene is the name. Oh, right.
Yeah, and Sean. No problem. Sean, no problem, sir.
All right.
That's fine.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right, good.
Alright, yeah, we can finish now. Come here.
All right, wife. So, what you discover?
Based on when I shot you, when I see round at the back, and then when I hear that little shuffling and voices, we definitely know there's something like one. What you hear, what you see?
Well, all those spots you saw me pointing to, all of them are detention areas.
Oh.
So, now that I've done my part, you know, you and your crew can do your part, but wake up yourself.
Good job, Raymond. But guess what? This was a perfect opportunity, especially for us. We got to scout out the place. Raymond, remember, Them no want me. Me too old for trafficking. You too old for their security. Tony and Whisper, perfect for the job.
I know I shouldn't be laughing at a time like
No,
this.
you shouldn't be.
But when you just mentioned too old for trafficking, you're right.
Ha 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 ha. Come carry my home.
Yes, wifey.